Hi and good day everyone. This video and PowerPoint presentation will talk on the contemporary challenges in organizations which they are currently facing. Let's start. For this subtopic, let us start with the question on why and how does these challenges exist. To answer the question, let me start by stating that the challenges exist because there are numerous and rapid changes which are happening right now. Therefore, the changes has created and leads to challenges which the management and the employees would need to face in ensuring that the organization is able to work effectively. In this subtopic, we will discuss on the four major environment development faced by the organization, which are globalization, increase in workforce diversity, technological change, as well as emerging employment relationship. First, let us look at the impact of globalization to an organization. Globalization refers to economic, social, and cultural connectivity with people in other parts of the world. An organization globalizes when they actively participate in other countries and cultures. When an organization starts to do business globally, it tends to create larger markets and opportunities. Some would have the opportunity to have lower costs in creating the outputs, greater access to innovation, knowledge, and many more. Besides, going global will also have an impact on how the employee in the organization would work. This is because different countries would have different work culture, different values, and all this would have an impact towards teamwork, leadership, decision making, and many more. At the same time, due to globalization, it also creates greater work intensification, reduced job security, and also increased work-life balance for some employees. Next, let us look at the issue of diverse workforce faced by many organizations. With the increase of organizations venturing global, the issue of diversity is highly on the rise. In discussing diversity, the matter which will be used often is surface level diversity and deep level diversity. First of all, what is surface level diversity? Surface level diversity is the observable demographic and other overt differences such as race, ethnicity, gender, age, and physical capabilities. Whereas deep level diversity are the differences in personality, beliefs, values, and attitudes, and all this cannot be seen directly. Therefore, working with people from diverse backgrounds and beliefs would create benefits as each and everyone would contribute ideas and expertise from various backgrounds. This would lead to better products through their creativity and inputs. Nevertheless, should the employees are not able to accept the differences among them, there would be conflicts and disagreement, and it would have an impact on the productivity and teamwork itself. Now, let's look at the effects of technology change to the organization. The fast and rapid change in technology have definitely assisted in producing or delivering quality products and services to customers and also other stakeholders. However, the changes and innovation at times have altered the way things are being done. In certain instances, innovation and fast change of technology have resulted in some work to be substituted by robots, and this has caused some employees are being left with no jobs. Another effect of technology change is how it have an impact on work relationship and behavior patterns in the workplace. With the introduction of emails and WhatsApp, it has now changed how employees interact with the top management, vice versa. Should before, the employee need to make appointments to see the CEO, now what they need to do is only send an email or a WhatsApp message to get the attention of the CEO. The third effect of technology change is basically it helps to improve health and as well as well-being. There is basically better development of better medicines and medical equipments, new leisure apparatus, as well as environmentally safer materials have been basically developed. The fourth development is on employment relationship. Number one, should before the increase of technology and globalization, employees are able to leave the office work in the office without bringing it back home. Employees are able to separate all work matters and personal life. But with the technology and globalization, employees are seen and expected to be reachable and connected to work throughout the day, no matter what time it is. This has also created a non-work-life balance, which leads to various conflicts and demands. Another employment trend which emerged is the remote work arrangement, where employees are now regularly working and being stationed at the client's office rather than the organization or the employer's traditional office. This is made possible due to the increase and advance in telecommunication. Being away from office, or basically remote work, that situation is called telecommuting. We will discuss on telecommuting in the next slide. Telecommuting or teleworking is basically one of the best known forms of remote work, whereby information technology enables employees to work from home. Nevertheless, there are several benefits as well as problems which derive from this situation. The benefits are better work-life balance, less turnover among younger job applicants, higher productivity because due to less stress. And the problems arise are less connection with co-workers, less informal communication to help an individual's career, as well as lower team cohesion, which basically leads to weaker organizational culture. Okay everyone, with the discussion on challenges and development faced by organization, we have now completed chapter 1. I do hope that now you have a better understanding on what organizational behavior is, how an organization been measured, and what are the developments which the organization face in the context of organizational behavior. With that, see you. Thank you then. For references purposes, all information and ideas are from the following list. Thank you.